Have you ever wondered why my student can speak Mandarin in such a short time? One big reason is a focused, targeted practice, tackling each pronunciation challenge step by step. For example, they just practice one tone at a time instead of practicing everything all in once. So let's take a look at one of my students' homework and see how it works.
他妈发的特呢了波婆摩佛皮咪滴提普姆夫嘟突。
So if you struggle with Chinese tone and Chinese pronunciation and that hold you back from having a real conversation, then my course 45 Days Mandarin Pronunciation Challenge is for you. So in this course, I literally give you guidance step by step. Within 45 days, you literally can master the Chinese tone and the pronunciation so that you can finally speak in Chinese confidently and accurately. Because this course I give a lot of personal feedback and a lot of personal guidance, so there's limited spots every single time. So if that's something you're interested, drop a comment, interested, I will put it on my waiting list, and once this course open again, I will let you know straight away.